Hi, welcome back to Amy's Little Shedshop. Haven't been around recently and I thought I'd let you know why. About, what was it, 4 weeks ago now? Unfortunately, my mum died and it was cancer and it's been a hard month. And a month before that she was in the hospice and hospital for the final time. So I haven't really been able to get into the shed shop to be able to do anything. I have had my rock, Mrs. Shedshop, helping me out and looking after me, and hopefully we'll be back in here pretty soon. I do want to continue doing YouTube. The thing is, my mum was my inspiration. She was the one that got me into this and she was the one that gave me so many ideas. I hope you'll have the opportunity to be able to know someone like that in your life. I've lost my best friend and my mum and it saddens me. I do have a task to do for her. She wants she wanted me to make her an urn, and well, I've only ever turned a mushroom, so this could be interesting. Yeah, we picked her up the other day. I didn't really want to start making an urn without actually knowing how big she was, plus I don't actually know where to start on how to make an urn apart from it's a vase with a lid, essentially. But she also wants us to take her around the country to city name places and to landmarks and places like that, like Stonehenge. She's always wanted to go there. Mother Shipton's Cave, she always wanted to go there. Place where we went recently, I say recently, a couple of months ago, was Stump Cross Caverns, which was amazing. She wants to go there. So that is our task. Her last wishes were part of, I want you to make me an urn. Thanks, Mum. I don't know how to do that. It's going to be interesting. I've got some good wood for it. I've never turned anything that big. Like I said, mushroom that big. I do hope to get back in here very soon. The temperature has been absolutely ridiculous. The weather is, it's totally up and down at the mo. We've had an absolute mountain of paperwork to get through, which is unfortunately one of the things that happens when someone passes. I will be back out here soon. I have some new tools that I want to show you and play with.
Projects lined up?
There is projects lined up too, obviously. Got to make an urn. So, sorry I haven't been around, if you've been wondering where I was. A little preview though, coming up soon, is I do have the new Erbauer cordless router. Yes I do. Also a little preview, the boy now works at Screwfix. Yes! Master Shedshop can get me discount. You know what that means? More tools.
Not in your bloody life.
Yeah, more tools. We've had to do a lot. We've got to do a lot. We've still got a lot to do. Please stick around. I will be putting up a tribute video to my mum. She's the reason I started YouTube. She's the reason I am where I am. And obviously she's the reason as to who I am. Because without her, I wouldn't be here. Yep, no, yeah, it's definitely true. Yep, without her, yeah, no. Absolutely. So yes, I will be putting up one of her old videos. She did put it on YouTube originally and then she did take it off and she shut her account down. But I think it's a really good one and she is the reason as to why I do what I do. She's not a woodworker, she's a crafter. And what she made is absolutely brilliant, and to let you enjoy that, I'll be putting it up in a week or so. Okay, so I hope you enjoy that. Leave a comment. To be fair, I could probably do with some. I'll try and message back. Thank you for sticking around with me. Thank you for being there. Hopefully I'll see you very soon. Thank you. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching.